Hi, I'm Dave, I'm a builder, and today I'm going to demonstrate how Velcro brand fasteners can better organise the back of my van. Let's get into it. So I've stripped everything off the back of my van, and one thing that I've noticed has always annoyed me is this vacuum hose rattling round. But using the Velcro brand one wrap reusable tape, I've finally got a clever solution to keep it tidy and out the way. Another good application for the reusable ties is to secure this little spade to the side of my van. And the Velcro brand one wrap ties also come in a 10mm strip, which is perfect for bunching together the cables on your chargers. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this Velcro brand heavy duty stick-on tape to keep my nice important level stuck safely to the ceiling of my van out the way without getting knocked by other things. It is a two-part system, one which will stick to the van, one which will stick to the level. So obviously when applying the tape, it's important to make sure that the surfaces are clean and dust-free. And for the best possible adhesion, leave them for 24 hours before you stick anything onto them. So here I've used the Velcro brand heavy duty stick-on coins to add some LED lights to the roof of my van. Another good use for the heavy duty stick-on coins is for quick access to your tape measure. Easily accessible and makes your tape measure easy to find. So I was sick of this bag falling over every time I pull away driving, but using the Velcro brand heavy duty stick-on tape gives it a permanent solution. So now I'm going to use a strip of the heavy duty tape to stick my batteries to the side wall of my van, and every 10 centimetres of this tape will actually hold 7 kilograms. So as you can see, it's been a complete success here today, transforming my van using the Velcro brand fasteners. Quick and easy to install, really versatile, so why don't you check them out and see if they can help organise your van.